Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into Google Cloud Console and pick the project that will track arcade points. Once signed in, enable the arcade or rewards feature and grant the minimal API and billing permissions required. Next, open the arcade dashboard so you can see point rates and eligible activities. This matters because points vary by action and time window, and you need a single source of truth to calculate accurately. Now, capture the current rates and your account activity list to begin. You now compute accruals. List each activity you performed and assign the exact point value shown on the dashboard. For each activity, multiply the count or frequency by the point value. For example, 12 completions times 5 points. Once done, sum those results to get a raw total. Make sure to apply time window rules and per-user caps because daily limits or event multipliers change the final number. If bonuses apply, add them after base sums so you don't double count multipliers. To finish, reconcile your calculated total with the arcade dashboard official tally. Compare line items, timestamps, and activity ID. If you see a discrepancy, check for pending or delayed entries. API lag, sync delays, or retroactive adjustments are common culprits. Once done, reapply caps and rounding rules and update your sum. If the mismatch persists, gather the activity ID, exact timestamps, and screenshots, then contact support. This gives you evidence to resolve errors quickly and prevents repeated miscalculation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.